Hey everyone, this is Milky. I'm a product manager at Advantech, and here I'll be showcasing one of our video servers. This is the VEGA-7030. The VEGA-7030 is based off of the Intel 13th and 14th generation processors. This one is special because it is a 1U short depth solution, but in doing so, we actually are able to incorporate 4 PCIe slots to accommodate cards like GPUs, video capture cards, or video encoding cards, or and network adapters as well. In this particular use case, we have an Intel graphics card here doing the video analytics, and in this case, we're doing smart traffic intersection monitoring. And here it is. That's the VEGA-7030, and you can find more details on the advantech.com website.